Good morning, sir. My name is Kashmeen Kaur. I am the leader of Group F. We are 5 members in the group. The other members are Arshdeep Kaur, Dheeraj Pahal, Firoz Khan, and Lavpreet Singh. We have chosen our topic computer repair and maintenance for preparing our assignment. And now we are going to give presentation on this topic. I am going to explain the executive summary of our project. The main purpose of our plan is to enhance the operations of computer repair and maintenance department of our organization. Our company will mainly focus on marketing and advertising products and services, the operations, the quality of service that we offer to our clients, keeping the current clients with the company, and attracting the new clients. The main objective of our company is to provide best available service to the customer at a very reasonable price. Will also generate income for the organization by marketing and selling annual maintenance plans. Will provide after sale service to the customer so that customer satisfaction will increase, by which customer retention will also increase. Will also increase customer satisfaction by improving their ways. There are many opportunities that our company will provide. Will train all the customer services representative on new rules within this next 6 weeks so that all the system get up to date. Will train all technical services representative in new repair technology. Will also keep the eye on the value of repairs and try to increase the key satisfaction matrices. Now, me and Arshdeep Kaur will present the proposal of this topic. The main goals of our project are to generate and increase the income and customer retention by as much as 25%. We'll also try to streamline our company. It will also increase the potential growth of company as computer repair and services to the general public. Will also keep the business immune from harmful economical changes. Now Arshdeep Kaur will introduce you services that our company will provide.
Good morning, sir. My name is Arshdeep Kaur. There are two types of services. First one is computer repair and maintenance, and second one is customization and parts sale. Under services, computer repair and maintenance, it will reach out to the local business to market our annual maintenance plan. It will also build business clients for longer duration. Moreover, our company will provide standard and premium maintenance services also. It enables our business to provide continuous repair, maintenance, or installation needs. Set up a walk-in clinic for on-site repair services. Second one services are customization and parts sale. Basically, secondary business unit is customization and computer parts for our customers. Customers will live with up-to-date and faster running computers and lead to diversification of our company. It will also increase the sales of computer parts. Now, move towards strategic market analysis, which will be represented by me and Kashmeen. Let's talk about economic outlook of markets and sales. Economic market condition is stable and growing with new technology launching every month. Secondly, increase the demand for upgrades and maintenance services due to current pandemic situations. More organizations moving towards work from home. Immigration, foreign skilled workers, and foreign companies is a positive growth for repair and maintenance business. That's all about me. Thank you, sir. Now, Kashmeen will be represent the next part.
Have a look at competitive analysis. As you know that there are fewer computer repair companies in the area, then it will be very good for us. will also benefit by providing both new sales along with parts and accessories and repair and maintenance under one roof. Will also solve the problems of dealing with multiple vendors and maintenance services under same contract. Customization and part sales along with software upgrade is most needed services because of its uniqueness. Now, Firoz Khan and Lapri Singh will explain you about the marketing plan. Will also customization and part sales along with software upgrade, which is most needed services because of its uniqueness. Now, Firoz Khan and Lapri Singh will explain the marketing plan of our project.
Good morning, sir. My name is Rose Khan. We discuss repair and maintenance services, which is very important. In the first point, I discuss ensure. Firstly, we need to ensure maximum visibility. The business in its targeted market and the repair and maintenance department will be offering following services such as laptop repair, laptop upgrade with solid state drives and memory, desktop monitor repair, hardware upgrades to desktop computers, installation to new graphic cards and storage drives. These all things are very important for improving our company business. Now, in the second part, I discuss other services which are very helpful for improving our trade. The other services involve operating system installation and virus and spyware software installation and data recovery and virus and spyware removal, office and store network setup, software installation as per as requirement. This is the main things which are very important. Now my friend Laprit discuss about marketing objectives.
Good morning, sir. My name is Lapri Singh. I will talk about the marketing objectives of our project. Responsive approach to the manage the deliverables and also sustain and maintain relationship with our already existing customers. We will also look after marketing to attract a new customer and also businesses. Creating new contracts for annual maintenance plan and large business is also a plan of objectives. Starting a local campaign with the company's targeted market via social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube is also part of it. Next, I will talk about marketing strategies. It includes house-to-house services, price of repair based on computer damage and software installation, requests from online platforms like company's website and social media platforms, market promotion and holiday sales, offering 20% discount on service fee and 10% discount on computer parts. Now, the next part will be discussed by my friend Dheerj.
Hi, good morning, sir. This is Dheeraj Bell. So I'm going to discuss about my topic, which I prepared under group project, which is social media marketing. Required to maintain strong presence among our customers and other businesses, aim individual customers and small businesses. Advertisement in form of online flyers and ads placed in offices and business of our clients. Online advertisements in form of short videos and audios to promote the computer repair and maintenance services. Attract positive feedback.
Good morning, sir. My name is Lapri Singh, and I will discuss about the marketing objectives of our project. Our team will work under set guidelines and involve highly responsive approach to manage the deliverables. And it also works to maintain and establish a relationship with our already existing customer. Our objective also include marketing to attract new customer and also new businesses. Creating new contracts for annual maintenance plan and with large business is also a part of our objectives. We will also start a local campaign with companies targeted market via social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. Next, I will talk about our marketing strategies. It includes house-to-house services and price of repair based on computer damage and software installation. We will also request from online platforms like company's website and social media platforms. We will also promote market promotions and holiday sales and and a special type of discount will be provided on a services fee, and 10% discounts will also be provided on computer parts. And now my friend Dheeraj will present the next part.
Hi, good morning, sir. This is Dheeraj Behal. Now I'm going to discuss about my topic which I have prepared under my group project, which is social media marketing. Number one point is required to maintain strong presence among our customers and other businesses. Aim individual customers and small businesses. Advertisements in form of online flyers and ads placed in offices and business of our clients. Online advertisements in form of short videos and audios to promote the computer repair and maintenance services. Attract positive feedback, develop strong communication among customers, attract new customers for new sales and repair or maintenance services, adhere to the budget and be sure to use amount of advertising. Now I'm going to tell you the table which I have made for the price repair per system. Installation of operating system costs us amount $100 Canadian dollars. For formatting, it also costs the same, which is $100. For formatting and installation, it costs us $150 Canadian dollars. For software installation, service price of $20 per software and additional cost of the software. Upgrade cost us hardware replacement cost us service price of $50 and depends on the problem and the hardware part. Now I'm going to tell you price maintenance plans, which are listed below as bronze plan, silver plan, gold plan, platinum plan, and diamond plan. I'm going to tell you about bronze plan, which consists of 1 to 5 systems, which cost us $25 per month or $350 annually. So silver plan cost us $75 per month or $800 annually, which consists of 5 to 10 systems. Gold plan consists of 10 to 25 systems, which cost us $95 per month or $1,000 annually. Platinum plan, which consists of 25 to 35 plans, which cost us $115 per month or $1,300 annually. Diamond plan, which consists of 30 and above plan, costs us $180 per month and 50% discount on parts. Now my other group member, who is Feroz Khan, will discuss you about financial plan.
Hello, so this is Feroz Khan, and I also explain financial plan. In financial plan, firstly, I explain some underlying assumptions. So my first assumption is the management team will be hired and trained from the existing employees of the company, and the service technicians will be hired on contract basis, which is very helpful in improving our trade as well as business. And the customer services representatives will be hired on the maximum wages. And the second point, the training of the service technicians will be paid after 1 year working with the company. And the computer repair business also plays a very important role, which will have an annual revenue growth rate of 20% per year. The parts business will have an annual revenue growth rate of 15%. The accessories and sale will have an annual growth of 18%. This whole assumption is very important for our marketing plan. So now next part, my friend Lapis Singh explain.
Now I will talk about our income statement. In income statement, we have built a blueprint of our income and expenses. And we have assumed that our income would be near about 30,000 to 35,000, and expenses on payroll must be 20,000, and the other cost including marketing cost would be 33,000, and the cost for tool and equipment would be 3,000. Next, I will talk about cash flow projections. Our cash flow in January would be 40% in the part of income, and in February it would be grow to 65%, and for March it would get to 80%. Now talking about cash outflows, as January, in the end of January, the payroll is there, so there is no pay in the month of January. But for February, it would be 29,000, and for March it is 45,000, and in total it is 74,000. Next, we talk about marketing. In marketing, 3,000 would be totally spent in January, and the same will be in February, and followed by March, and the total amount will be 9,000. Next, about tools and equipments. In January there would be 3,000, and February 3,500, and in March it would be 4,000. In total, it would be $10,500. The next part will be explained by my partner Dij.
Now I have made a bar graph for the first quarter months of 2022, which will help us in better understanding. In the month of January, the existing shows us the cash flow to the 35%, and the new one shows the declination rate to 15%. Whereas as followed in February showed us the existing of 65% and also show the inclination to the new one to 25%. And in the last month, which was March, show the existing to the highest, which was 100%, but it also show the declination rate to 40% in the March for the new ones. Thank
So here are the management biographies. Kashmir Kaur, the project manager with 4-year experience. Ashrif Kaur having 5-year experience in sales and marketing. Dheeraj Bahal, a business graduate with experience in marketing and customer retention, specialized in computer networking. Firoz Khan. Laprit Singh, a finance graduate with complete understanding of budgeting and financing. There are some references. So this was all about our topic. Thank you everyone for listening.